Lori, how about the 911 program? I know that's been around, what, I think I've read over 50 years now at this point. Super important. It's sort of, you know, weaved into the fabric of any type of sort of emergency response. You think of 911. Tell us what's happening with the 911 program these days.
Well, first of all, Luke, thank you for inviting me to participate. We've really appreciated being a part of this through all these years. The program exists to do three things. We act as a point of coordination for all of the 911 stakeholders, whether they're public or private, at all levels of government. We also collect and create resources for the folks at the state and local level that actually operate the nation's 911 system. And we administer a grant program specifically for 911. So through all those efforts, we're helping the 6,000 911 centers across the country do a basic upgrade of their infrastructure so that it matches the infrastructure that has been put in place by companies like Verizon and AT&T. So progress is certainly not as fast as anyone would like it to be, but there are roughly 2,000 911 centers in about 30 states that are actually using that infrastructure to process voice calls. Also, the location information that they're receiving has really improved through some work that we've done with Android and iPhone to improve the location information. And about a third of the 911 call centers are now able to do text to 911. So there are some measurable points of progress that are being made.
That's fantastic. I had just read an article about the text capability. It makes a lot of sense, right? That's how a lot of people communicate now. And that's, in some cases, the only way some people communicate. Yeah,
absolutely. Particularly in cases of, home invasion, domestic violence. And what we're finding out also is in cases of, suicide, folks seem to be more apt to text than to talk to people if they're seeking help. So it's been really helpful in a lot of different ways.
That's fantastic.